it's time for Thursday's video.
Part 4.
Yep, of building a turbo. We got screen for the turbo.
Yep.
That's it. No, I'm just kidding. We got some hoses. We got coolant hose and we got a hose for the drain. Yeah, thanks a lot Flow Products for letting us down because we needed a new oil feed line made. We also picked up a bit and some brackets this way.
It's slowly coming together. Slowly. We ran into it's not even problems with what we're doing, it's just relying on places to have what we need and they don't have what we need.
Yep.
Ever.
I'm also off work for the next 2 weeks. Thanks COVID-19. But that's where we stand. So more time to work on the turbo. It's gonna be done this week.
Oh yeah.
Gotta stay safe from COVID. So, at the beginning of our day, we experienced a little bit of a setback. Oh, there it went. One of the hangers to my daily driver, aka the Camaro, broke on the exhaust. So, we tried to fix it by doing that. Well, that didn't work, so we had to go to the store. And we bought some of this strap.
Oh yeah.
Now, that's what we're doing. So as far as the car goes, that's how much of the intercooler we have done. And thanks to Mr. Tate Branch, we got the proper equipment to tap into my oil pan. Fantastic.
Oh. Well, we got her fixed.
Thanks, Dan, from etunes.com. All you have to do is put these back in the fuel rail and put these little clippy things on there and then shove them back in. So, oh, and then you plug the harnesses back in. So we're good. All right, so we finished the injectors. We already drilled a hole in my oil pan last night. Thanks to Mr. Tate, we now have the right drill bit along with the tap.
Yep. We're good to go.
So we can thread that hole for this sucker and call it a done deal for that part.
I think it'll be good tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a lot of rest and get ready to stress work tomorrow big time, so.